I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
How's everybody doing today? Welcome to the channel. This is the SRT-4 rebuild part 2. If you want to see part 1, link is in the top right hand corner. I wanted to give a huge thank you to Sam Crack for that awesome shout out a few weeks back. Also to all you commenters. Those comments are awesome. I appreciate them. Even the trolls, y'all are pretty funny sometimes. So with that out of the way, let's get to the SRT-4. We pulled the plugs. They look absolutely horrendous. We also found the cam caps to the head. So that's pretty awesome. The turbo is shot. I want to see if you guys can hear it. See that wiggle. There's a company in Waco, Texas, I believe, that rebuilds these turbos. So I'm gonna go ahead and send it to them. Right now we're gonna just spin the block, the crank, and see if there's any type of compression. Hopefully there is. Oh. Saw that shoot out? It's pretty milky. Oh, that's disgusting. It's just coming out of one cylinder. I want to see if it could build up some compression. All right, so let's drain the oil pan. Well, that wasn't much oil, was it? That was straight water. So yeah, this engine definitely needs to come out. So let's start off with the front end. Front end is taken apart, looks good. Engine is ready to be pulled. Motor mounts and a couple plugs and hoses, and she should be out. Subframe is also out. See, I told you it has a Hotchkiss sway bar. The headlights are wired up kind of differently. I need to cut that and put on OEM ones. Bumper looks good. Everything else looks good. I like that cold side pipe. Look at that. That thing's monstrous to fit that intake manifold. Before I pull the engine, Turbo Import Parts got a SRT-4 in. So if you need any parts, hit them up. Link is in the description. These wheels are not available. They're gonna go on the rebuild. The spoiler survived, however. I have no idea how. But yeah, it's available. And just like that, the engine is pulled, literally, by a rope. Get it? Haha, funny jokes. All right. So the engine has a whole bunch of oil everywhere, not sure where it's coming from. We are going to investigate next week. Like literally everything is in oil. It does have a ACT clutch, so that's a good thing. Alright guys, if you like this build, hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week.